Go to the Timber Connections view. Press Insert and select the two elements to connect. You have a list of possible connections to choose from. Define the connection properties. See a preview of the construction details. Press Finish to conclude insertion. You can insert continuous columns or beams, trellis, beam to beam or beam to column support. And notched connection types. Copy the connection to other similar connection nodes. With Edit, you can modify the connection properties. Using Delete, you can delete the selected connection.